Today guys, I will show you how to download a ringtone on Zedge or from Zedge. So first open Zedge like this, and right now when you open Zedge, we will go right now and click here on ringtones, and right now we're gonna find we will choose right now or search for a ringtone specific collection, or for me, for example, I will choose this one, vintage classic rock playlist, and I will choose a one from here, for example, Power of Love. And to download it, just click here, and you should go and click save to media folder, and that's all guys. Don't forget to like and also subscribing in this channel. See you in another tutorial.